Hello, and welcome to Condeco. In this video, I'm going to answer the question, what are the benefits of going back to work and returning to the office? It's easy to assume that the home working practices adopted during lockdown periods are a long-term solution for your business. Of course, home working does have its advantages in terms of flexibility for employees, but it removes some of the key business drivers that can only be leveraged when people are in the same location working together. This includes productivity, collaboration, socialization, coordination, and of course, the health and well being of your employees. Let's investigate each of these benefits a bit more. When we look at productivity, getting folks back in the office helps avoid many of the potential distractions they find at home. It also helps them focus on their work and use their time more effectively. Collaboration is a central theme for working in the office. Teams that can physically see and talk to each other find it easier to collectively develop new ideas and produce creative solutions to the problems at hand. In many situations, employees can feel isolated when working remotely. Bringing them back to the office keeps them engaged and connected with their team and provides ample opportunities for socialization. Coordinating large projects requires multidisciplinary teams to come together. It's much more straightforward for teams to work together in the office, stay functional, and align with the work of others when together. And of course, by returning to the office, you can safeguard employees' mental and emotional health by giving them the support that is only available when physically working together. Our lives have all changed by COVID, lockdowns, and stay-at-home orders. So as restrictions are lifted and offices start reopening, having a strategy for returning your folks to the office has many benefits for them and the organization. So from all of us at Condeco, thanks for watching.